Welcome back, everybody. So guys, in this lecture we'll be talking about how we can just simply nest multiple tables inside one table. What we just need to do, we just need to know where we just want to put multiple tables. Suppose there is a subject. Okay, the subject is single, but there can be multiple subjects too. So there, instead of just simply calling the chemistry, we can put multiple data. Like I'm just deleting that one. I just simply deleted that, and I'm just making a new table inside that TD table. Simple and easy and convenient. Just going inside that, and I'm going to make a new TR. There I'm not making the T body or EDC because I just want a single table. So you can still use them, no problem. TD English. I'm not making multiple rows. I'm not making multiple rows here. I'm just gonna make the single row with multiple cells. TD, and their English chemistry. Maybe in your country you're not learning these kind of subjects. Maybe you call them a different thing, but no problem, because again we're not gonna talk about the schooling system or the education system. We're just gonna learn the programming. We're gonna learn how HTML works. So P physics, and then I'm just gonna put here the chemistry, physics, biology, whatever. I just got biology. I got, sorry, first DD. Okay, awesome. I just need to go to the browser to see what it looks. You can see that here's the line break, there's the line break, and this is how we can just simply need to refresh the page. Now you can see that there is multiple data inside this subject table. You can see that. Still, you can do the same I did previously by doing this BODA and the one and saving. Now going to the browser back and refreshing that, and now you can see that it has the, you can see that it's now covered with the borders. Going back to the notepad, and I think you just got it. Now I'm just gonna make another one there too, to just make you sure how I did. Just follow me what I'm doing. Line break and the table here. Okay, cool, table, and inside the table the TR. You can still make the headings, but there, we do not need the heading. You can see that, and we just need a single row of a table, so no problem in the way I'm just doing. So ignore that, ignore the T head and T body for now. T head and T body is not very necessary. I'm just clearing one thing to you right now, that the T head and the T body is not really important, but it's important in the term that the data is more documented, the data is separate. Now if you just want to apply any kind of style, you'll be learning how you can apply this style. But if you just want to apply this style to the TRs of the body only, so you can directly call the T body. So in that way you'll be only applying anything to the body only. This is why these are grateful. So we do not need these greatness right there, so ignore that. So there I'm just calling some more things, TD again, and in STD I'm just simply calling the English, again the English, no problem, English. Okay, cool. I'm just going down, TD and English, and here I'm just putting the chemistry again. Or this person doesn't have the chemistry, but this person has the sociology, whatever I got in my mind, TD, and here the physics again. Okay, then TD, and maths. Okay, maths. Save it, go to the browser back and refresh the page. Okay, so now you can see that it's there. Go back to the notepad, and there again I'm just gonna apply the same thing. I applied the border. Border is not really important, but just to divide them in a perfect look. So now you can see that it's looking like that. No problem, all good. I think you just got it, how we did it and how simply you can make it. Also, a few little things about it. If you just increase text there, ultimately the whole table size will be increased. You can see that Joan is a night student. Mark needs some practice, but he's learning, whatever. Save. Now go to the browser, refresh that. Now you can see that the whole table is now increased. including this length and this length too. Even this was because of the th, the property of the th is it's ultimately in the text, the center text, so it's now in center, and the place of this has been changed because of this. So a lot of things about the styling of the table we didn't talk about yet, but we'll be talking about them later on when we will be talking about the CSS. So no problem. This is how we can simply nest the table. So stay tuned and goodbye.